Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafles Matorang Pasaribu with NPM 211705105X. I'm here to present about environmental pollution. This is the overview about presentation environmental pollution. The point number 1 is definition of pollution and the point number 2 is types of pollution. The point number 1 is definition of pollution. What is pollution? When harmful substance contaminates the environment, it is called pollution. Pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality. The point number 2 is types of pollution. There are 4 types of pollution. Number 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, noise pollution. Number 4, radioactive pollution. The types of pollution number 1 is air pollution. The first things we will discuss is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the lifeline of Earth. It is therefore essential that we know more about the atmosphere and the ways in which it is polluted. Air is considered safe when it contains no harmful dust and gases. The second is causes of air pollution. Major sources of air pollution are industries, automobile and domestic fuels, high proportion of undesirable gases, dust, mist, smoke, carbon black, and aerosol. The third is effect of air pollution. Air pollution effects can impact on human health, reduce animal and plants population, the atmosphere as a whole, global warming, ozone depletion, acid rain, and various respiratory illnesses. The fourth is how to avoid air pollution. We can avoid pollution as follows. Number 1, use natural gases like LPG. Number 2, do not brush crackers. Number 3, use less amount of fuel for vehicles. And number 4, avoid using and use electric stove. The types of pollution number 2 is water pollution. Any physical like temperature, oxygen, chemical like mercury, or biological like disease and sewage change to water adversely affects its use by living beings. Causes of water pollution. About 40% of deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial water and effluents discharged into rivers. This is the picture of water pollution. What effect of water pollution? Diseases like cholera, malaria, typhoid, and aquatic life get destroyed. And then, how to avoid water pollution? Number 1, rivers should not be used for washing clothes and bathing anymore. Number 2, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Number 3, dams and embankments must be created. Number 4, the river must not be contaminated. And number 5, in rivers the dead bodies should not thrown. The type of pollution number 3 is noise pollution. Noise can be simply defined as unwanted sound. The sound is present or not depends upon its loudness, duration, rhythm, and the mode of person. Noise pollution not only results in irritation and anger. Causes of noise pollution are traffic noise, aircraft noise, noise from construction and civil engineering works, noise from the industries, and noise from the other source. This is the picture show noise pollution. What effect of noise pollution? The effect of noise pollution are hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, sleep disturbance, and color blindness. So, How to avoid noise pollution? Number 1. The government should ensure the new machine that should be noise-proof. Number 2. A port must be away from residential area. Number 3. The sound horn symbol is to be in school roads. Number 4. Control noise at the source by proper choice of equipment, design modification, mounting and proper layout. Number 5. Isolation or use of baffles. And number 6. Use of ear protection device. The last type of pollution is radioactive pollution. Despite the advance of nuclear as a clean energy, the big concern is the result from nuclear reaction, which is a form of population called radioactivity. Radiation or laser ray will from radioactive pollution. Causes of radioactive pollution are nuclear power plants, for example, Navy, nuclear weapon, for example, missiles, disposal of nuclear waste, and uranium mining. What effect of radioactive pollution? The effect of radioactive pollution are the disease include blood in shock, cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, bone cancer, and eye problems. So, how to prevent of radioactive pollution? Number 1. Avoid contraction nuclear power plants. Number 2. Avoid using nuclear weapon. Number 3. Have proper treatment for nuclear waste. And number 4. Avoid mining for uranium to a minimal. Okay, that's all about presentation of environmental pollution. So pollution is very dangerous for our earth. Let's keep our earth from pollution. And I'm Rafles Matorang Pasaribu. Say thank you very much for your attention and good morning.